We will guide you through how to make helix shape in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to create a new drawing. Type Helix in the command line and press Enter. Specify the center point of the helix in the drawing area. Specify the base radius by moving the cursor away from the center and entering the required radius. Next, specify the top radius and use the same radius if you want the helix to maintain an even width. Enter the required height of the helix. For a simple 2D drawing, use a small height or keep the settings simple so the spiral is easy to work with. Enter the required number of turns to determine how many times the helix rotates around its center. After creating the helix, change the view to top view so it can be seen from above and its spiral form can be clearly displayed. Use zoom extents to fit the helix properly within the drawing area. If you want the helix to look like a simple 2D spiral, type explode in the command line and select the helix. Then press Enter to convert it into separate objects. Use trim to remove any unwanted portions of the spiral if necessary. Type Pettit if you need to edit or join the resulting lines into a more manageable 2D object. Select the spiral and change its color through the Properties panel if you want it to be easier to see. Adjust the line type if you want the spiral to appear continuous, dashed, or as a center line. Use Move or Scale to position or resize the 2D helix according to your drawing requirements. Check that the spiral is placed correctly and has the desired size. Finally, review the completed helix and make any necessary adjustments before saving the drawing by pressing Ctrl+S with an appropriate file name.